If you are aiming for a high score on the IELTS writing test, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be going to dive into tips and strategies to perfect your writing and impress the examiner. Let's get started. But first, we need to get familiar with the test format. So, the IELTS writing test consists of two tasks, task 1 and task 2. In the academic test, task 1 asks you to describe visual information such as graphs or charts, while in the general training test, task 1 requires you to write a letter. For task 2 is an essay for both versions. Here you are required to respond to an argument or point of view. So let's start with the tips. Tip number 1, planning your answers. Planning your answer is very crucial before you start writing. Take 3 to 5 minutes to plan your response. For task 1, identify the key features you need to describe, especially when it has to do with your graphs. For task 2, think of ideas, organize them into a logical order, and outline your main point. A well-structured plan helps you stay on track and ensures your essay has a clear flow. Point number 2, do not write out of points. I see a lot of people make this mistake. While writing, it's very easy to get carried away if you are not careful. For example, let's say you are given a question that says, some people think the government should subsidize fruit and vegetable to make healthy food more affordable. Others argue that the government should tax unhealthy food instead. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion. Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. In order to answer this question, a lot of people will write on while eating healthy is important or what is a healthy diet. But that is not correct. While these two topics talk about diet, which is a very wide topic, they do not focus on what the topic of discourse is. Instead, you should talk about, should the government subsidize food and vegetables or to make healthy food more affordable? Should the government tax unhealthy food, and your opinion? So during the course of your writing, always ensure that what you are writing is relevant to what the topic of discourse is. Try as much as possible to not write out of topic. This is very important. Tip number 3, link your sentences appropriately. While writing, it is easy to get carried away with using just a phrase or a word to link your sentences. For example, a lot of times people use words like because, so, and to link their sentences. While these are appropriate ways to link your sentence, they are commonly used. So as to show the examiner that you are very conversant with the English language of formal linking words, such as however, as a result, furthermore, and so on. While preparing for your exam, make sure you learn some linkers appropriate for each situation or question that might come up. Tip number 5, language and grammar tips. Accurate grammar and vocabulary are essential for a high score. Use a mix of simple and complex sentences and ensure your vocabulary is varied and appropriate for the topic you're writing. Avoid repetitive language and common errors like misused words or incorrect tenses. Proofread your work to identify any mistakes. Small errors can affect your score, so take the time to review your writing. So to perfect your writing for the IELTS, understand the text format, plan your answers, don't write off topic, use accurate grammar and vocabulary, and practice regularly. With dedication and these tips, you will be on your way to achieving your desired band score. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone preparing for your IELTS. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your preparation.